Good morning, Bella. Good morning, Boo Boo. How are you guys? Did you sleep good? Huh? Bella? Did you sleep good? Huh? Wait. She's not listening to me. She's still sleepy. It's 8 a.m. Parang napuyat yata ito sila. Or ako ang pinuyat nito. Makulit itong dalawang to eh. Labas-pasok ng bahay. Overnight, naka-3-4 ako na tumayo dahil gusto lumabas. Itong dalawang makulit. Ngayon, tulog-tulog sila. Ako nagbabantay. Ito ang aking mga babies. Si Bella, she's sweet cat. And she's loving and caring. She massaged me when I asked her. We massage. She's very smart cat. Yan. Uy. Isnab ba? Inisnab ako nito. Ayan sila. Tulog-tulog tong dalawa. May kalabaw ako dito rin. Alaga ko rin tong kalabaw. Ganda ng kalabaw namin. Ayan. Kalabaw laki. Ganda ng sungay. Ayan. 10 carats gold yung sungay na yan. Pwede na yan ibinta. Ibinta natin yung sungay na yan. 10 carats gold. Ayan. Ganda na aming sungay. Ayan. Ayan sa aming TV. Ayan sa aming likuran. Glass yan. Reflect sa TV. Tingnan nyo. Glass. Yan TV. Tulog pa mga tao. Tulog pa siya pa. Gising ko maaga dahil itong dalawa namumuyat ito. Gustong kumain. Lumabas. Pipipi sila sa labas. Marunong tong dalawa. Gigisingin ka talaga pag gusto nilang lumabas. Ayan, napuyat. Oh, hi Bella. Good morning. How are you? Say good morning. See? Talkative to eh. So, gusto na ulit kumain. Hello. How are you? How are you guys, huh? How are you guys doing? Alis na to pag mga pagkain na. You say hi, Boo Boo. Good morning, Boo Boo. Bella, you say hi, good morning to Boo Boo. Where you going now? Huh? My. Ito, Boo Boo. You sleepyhead. Huh? You hit 1,000 views when you're snoring. Everybody loves you, Boo Boo. Boo Boo, he is a sweet boy. He always kisses me. And he comes to visit me in my room. All the time. Yeah. He loves to eat. Like his dad. Apam. Pareha silang chubby baby. Para sila ng buhok. Blondie. Miming! Boo boo boo! Wait, ayan. Update na. Oy, good morning, Boo Boo. Come on here. Come this way. Ayan, binabantayan na niya yung daddy niya. Ayan, pag lumabas na yan dyan. Boo boo boo. Come on. Boo boo. Come on here. Let's go. Oh, tingnan mo. Nag-aabang na tong isa. Where are you going? Huh? You wanna go out? Kulit-kulit mo ah. Okay. You wanna go out? Good morning. Did you say good morning to mommy? Yeah, okay. You say good morning. Yeah? You wanna go out? Okay. Come on. Okay. Say thank you. Ayan. Ang aming labas. May flower pa na dyan. Lal. Makulit talaga ito. Kunwari lumabas siya. Oh, what happened? You wanna eat now? Okay, come on. Ayan, gusto niya kumain. You wanna eat? Again? You ate 5 times already. Ito pagkain niya, salmon. Buti pa to. Sarap pagkain ito, salmon. Oh. Ayan, guys. Kain niya. Okay, come on here. Eat now, eat. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you, mommy, for my food. Did you not even pray, huh? Wow, you're hungry, huh?